Fifth-wheel RVs have long been prized for their spacious interiors and versatility, offering travelers the comforts of home while on the road. Among them, the Coachmen Chaparral series stands out, blending residential luxury with the practicality of a mid-profile fifth wheel. The 2025 Chaparral 373MBRB model perfectly encapsulates this balance, boasting 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a design focused on delivering a true home-on-wheels experience. Measuring 42.6 feet in length, the 373MBRB rides on twin 7,000-pound axles equipped with upgraded suspension and higher ground clearance, ensuring a smooth journey on various terrains. Its mid-profile build makes it lighter and easier to tow compared to full-profile competitors, while still offering robust structural integrity with double Azdel sidewalls and a heated and closed underbelly. These features combine to provide excellent insulation and make this fifth wheel suitable for all 4 seasons, a vital consideration for serious RV adventurers. One of the highlights of the 373MBRB is its impressive sleeping capacity. It comfortably accommodates up to 8 people, thanks to 3 separate bedrooms. This makes it an excellent option for families or groups seeking a more permanent yet mobile living solution. Complementing the sleeping quarters are 2 full bathrooms, one of which is an ensuite, providing convenience and privacy rarely found in RVs of this size. At the heart of the RV lies the kitchen and living room, occupying the middle section. While these areas are somewhat compact to make room for the 3-bedroom layout, they remain functional and well-equipped. The kitchen features residential-grade appliances, including a 3-burner cooktop, a small oven, microwave, and a sizable 16-cubic-foot Furrion double-door refrigerator and freezer. Though counter space and storage options are more limited than in larger fifth wheels, the kitchen provides everything needed for preparing meals on the go. Dining takes place at a 4-person standalone dinette, perfect for small groups or couples, but less ideal for full occupancy. Similarly, a lounge area offers a cozy entertainment wall, complete with a large flat-screen TV, soundbar, and a panoramic fireplace, but seating is limited to 2 reclining theater seats. While this intimate setup is perfect for quiet evenings, larger groups might find themselves needing to spread out for movie nights. The front bedroom is thoughtfully designed with a crane bed and multiple storage options, including overhead cabinets, side storage, and underbed compartments. Unique to this model is a small slide that enlarges the wardrobe space, enhancing practicality. Washer and dryer hookups are also included, catering to the needs of long-term travelers. The hallway bathroom features a fiberglass shower with sliding glass doors, a porcelain foot-flush toilet, and a sink with storage, balancing functionality with space efficiency. The second bedroom near the main entrance is tailored for children, featuring bunk beds with suspended cabinets and a slide that partially houses the beds. Though the beds are slightly short for adults, they remain comfortable for younger family members. The rear bedroom doubles as a multi-use space, equipped with a tri-fold sofa that converts into a queen bed and a drop-down bunk above, comfortably sleeping 3 people. This room also includes a dresser, TV prep, and access to the ensuite bathroom, which boasts a tub-shower combo and ample room. Additional standard features on the 373MBRB include 3 air conditioning units with heat pumps for climate control, 190 watts of solar panels on the walkable roof, black roller shades, solid wood cabinetry, and tinted windows for privacy. Outdoors, a large power awning with LED lighting, an exterior fridge, additional storage bays, and room for a 50-inch TV make camping more enjoyable and convenient. Safety and ease of use are prioritized with 4-point electric auto leveling and 2-zone JBL audio. The on-demand tankless water heater ensures hot water is always available, while the fifth wheel's gross vehicle weight rating of 15,000 pounds supports a cargo capacity of nearly 2,000 pounds. Water tanks include 48 gallons of fresh water, 120 gallons of gray water, and 75 gallons of black water capacity, meeting the demands of extended stays. When it debuted, the 2025 Coachmen Chaparral 373MBRB had a price tag north of $97,500. Today, it can be found at dealerships for around $75,000, a compelling option for families and travelers seeking a luxurious yet practical home on wheels.